Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Seema Saini. I hope you all are good. So students, today we will discuss
how to write a paragraph, and then we will take some important paragraphs. So let's start. When we will write a paragraph, first of all write heading and then content related the given topic. Means सबसे पहले heading write करना है और उसके बाद paragraph write करना है topic से related. So let's take some important paragraphs. Paragraph 1. So first of all write heading like this. My aim in life, or you can write what I want to be, but write only one heading. Okay, this is important paragraph. Then write content like this. My aim in life is to become a doctor. A doctor can earn money as well as honor. He can serve the sick. He can serve his country in a big way. India needs a large number of doctors. Our villagers suffer from many diseases, but there are few doctors in the villages. I want to become a doctor and serve in the villages. My aim will not be to earn money. My aim will be to bring hope to the poor and the suffering people. Thus, by serving God's people, I will serving God also. Next paragraph, Himachal Pradesh. So first of all write heading like this, Himachal Pradesh. Then write content, means paragraph like this. I belong to Himachal Pradesh. I am proud of my state. It is a big state. It is in the northwest of India. It is the land of Shiva and Parvati. It is the land of temples. It is the land of rivers and mountains. It is the land of sweet apples. Its capital is Shimla. Himachalis are hardy people. They are very hardworking. They are also very brave. Many of them are in the army. Himachal is known for its natural beauty. Tourists from all over India and other countries come here every year. Kangra, Chamba and Kullu are some of the famous valleys of Himachal. They charm the visitors with their natural beauty. Next paragraph, my hobby. In this paragraph, I am telling about one hobby, that is reading books. You can write about your own hobby. इस पैराग्राफ में मैंने वन हॉबी के बारे में बताया है, वो है रीडिंग बुक्स. अगर आपकी भी यही हॉबी है देन यू कैन राइट दिस पैराग्राफ. अगर नहीं है देन यू कैन राइट योर ओन हॉबी. नाउ पैराग्राफ, रीडिंग बुक्स इज माई हॉबी. I read only good and useful books. I read some good journals also. I get much useful knowledge from them. Reading gives me much pleasure. I can enjoy the company of great writers by reading their works. I can learn from them the good and noble things of life. Good books are the best friends. They contain the wisdom of ages. They are an endless store of knowledge. We can learn much from them. They give us food for mind. Reading books is the best of all hobbies. It is not very expensive. We can borrow books from libraries. Next paragraph, my best friend. This is most important paragraph. Then start writing paragraph like this. Rohan is my best friend. You can write your best friend name here. Then write, he is my class fellow. If you are writing about boy, then write he. If you are writing about girl, then write she. We have been together ever since our childhood. He lives next door to me. For the most part of the day, we remain together. We play and study together. I like Rohan for his good and simple habits. If you are writing about boy, then write his. If you are writing about girl, then write her. He is truth-loving, honest and sincere. He is respectful to his elders. He is polite to all. He helps the poor and needy students. He is frank, fearless and outspoken. He is very jolly and witty. He is very popular with his class fellows. Everybody wants to be friendly with him. I take pride in having such a nice friend. Next paragraph, a match. अगर आपका हेडिंग अ मैच है तब आप कोई भी मैच राइट कर सकते हैं लाइक अ क्रिकेट मैच और फुटबॉल मैच एक्सेट्रा. अगर आपका हेडिंग अ क्रिकेट मैच है तब आपको क्रिकेट मैच ही राइट करना है. ओके, बट राइट ओनली वन हेडिंग. नाउ पैराग्राफ. अ क्रिकेट मैच was played between our school and Arya High School. Each team played 40 overs. The match started at 10 a.m. We won the toss. We decided to bat first. Rohan and Amit were our openers. Rohan made 30 runs and was out. The next 4 players made 60 runs. Our team was all out for 150 runs. Arya High School had good openers. They made 60 runs. Their third batsman was a hitter. He made 30 runs. Our captain used Rohan as a bowler. He bowled first. The players of Arya High School were in trouble. Soon they got out. They could make 130 runs. We won the match by 20 runs. It was really an interesting match. Next paragraph. A football match. This is most important question. Now paragraph. Last Monday we played a football match. It was played between our school and Khalsa school. It was played on our school ground. Sri Jaswant Singh was the referee. He blew the whistle. There was a toss. We won the toss. We chose our side. The match began. At first, the game was slow, but soon it became brisk. All the players played well. Our defense was very strong. There was no goal. The referee blew the whistle for interval. In the second half, Vinod passed the ball on to me. I ran with it into the D. Then I kicked it hard. It went through the poles. It was a goal. There were loud cheers. The referee blew the whistle. The game was over. We won the match by 1 goal. Next paragraph. Any festival. If your heading is any festival, then you can write any festival like Holi, Diwali, etc. etc. If your heading is the Diwali, then write about only Diwali. Now paragraph. Diwali is an important Indian festival. It generally falls in the month of November. It comes 20 days after the Sehra. Sri Ram came back to Ayodhya on this day. Sri Guru Har Gobind was set free by the Mughal Emperor on this day. This festival is celebrated in every village and town. Houses and shops are painted in new colors. People light their homes with candles and electric lights. They buy sweets and toys. They distribute gifts among friends and relatives. Children enjoy fireworks at night. On this day, people worship Goddess Lakshmi. Some people gamble on this day. It is an evil. It should be ended. Next paragraph, morning walk. This is important paragraph. Now paragraph, morning walk is the best form of exercise. It costs nothing. It is very useful for our health. It refreshes our mind. It strengthens our body. It prolongs our life. It saves us from many diseases. It is equally good for the young and the old. Morning walk keeps us fresh for the whole day. It dwells in us the habit of rising early. It awakens in us love for nature. The dewdrops, the fresh flowers, the chirping birds, and the rustling leaves charm our mind. We start loving these objects of natural beauty. Thus, morning walk is useful not only for our body but for our mind also. Next paragraph, a picnic. This is most important. Now paragraph, there is a beautiful canal outside our town. Last Sunday, my friends and I decided to go there for a picnic. We bought some fruits and sweets. We reached the canal and camped under a tree on its bank. There was a small tea shop nearby. One of us went there and bought tea. We took tea with fruits and sweets. After this, we played a game of cards. Vikrant entertained us by singing songs. Many groups of men, women, and children had come to the canal. The children played hide and seek. The parents found it hard to keep the children away from water. Everybody was in a holiday mood. We took our way back home in the evening. It was a lovely picnic.
That's all for today. Thank you. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care.